Hello, welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done something very special on a BMW M4. We fitted a Halo Canbus immobiliser with push sequence disarm and remote immobilisation through a tracker. Obviously if it gets stolen in valet mode and it's disarmed, which is I've seen on a few occasions. Okay, so how the system works, I've started the vehicle up. As soon as I put it in gear, you'll see. Watch, as soon as I put it in gear, vehicle cuts out. Okay, so every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, starts the vehicle up, inserts his push sequence, which we're going to change after the video. If you watch carefully, we're going to get a full beam flash inside. So tap, 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 tap. There you go. We can select a gear. It's in drive and we can drive it away. Okay. When the customer leaves the vehicle, it's not like some Canbus immobilisers that are time driven. These are, as soon as you open the door, there you go, system is now armed. So if the customer, so obviously, that's what I say, if a thief was to jump in, try and start it, put it in gear, vehicle will cut out. Okay. Also, if the customer wants to place it in valet mode, this is very, very simple. It has to be done with the ignition on and the vehicle not running. So main ignition on, insert his code, and on the last press hold. So tap, 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 hold. If you watch carefully, we've got one flash to say it's disarmed. Keep on holding, watch carefully. Keep holding. There you go, it's now in valet mode. So if I turn the ignition off, open the door, the vehicle will start. Okay, then we start the vehicle. If I put it in gear, you'll see I can drive it away. Okay, so now say for example it was being serviced, vehicle was stolen and the customer wanted to retrieve it. They hadn't found the tracker, so we've got this device here. Okay, so if we now go into our tracker app, if we now scroll down to fuel cut, control fuel. If you watch carefully and I say cut it off, it's going to ask for a password. We're going to put the password in, so watch. If you watch carefully, command being set, easy, really simple. Start the vehicle up now. Remember, it's in valet mode, it's been stolen, puts it in gear, vehicle cuts out. Okay, if I try and do it again, start it up, vehicle cuts out. Let's open the door. No flashes. We know it's in valet mode. Okay. Start the vehicle again. Vehicle cuts out. Okay. So now if I send it another command to turn it off, remote immobilisation, if you watch carefully, we'll do that now. So if we go back into it again, scroll down, control fuel, recover, insert the code, watch carefully, there you go. Okay, let's just start the vehicle now. Let's put it into gear. There you go, it's fine, no problem. And we know it's in valet mode because once again, as I said, we'll open the door, got no flashes. So let's just take it out of valet mode now. Main ignition on, insert the code as I said, and on the last press hold. There's no flash at the moment, it's covert and it's in valet mode. If you keep watching carefully. There you go, it's come out of valet mode. Turn off the ignition. Open the door, active. Start the vehicle up. No push sequence, vehicle's immobilised. As I said, this is the Halo Mini on a M4 BMW with remote immobilisation should it ever be stolen in valet mode. It's also got tracking obviously, so we can go and locate the vehicle. Hope you found this quick video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.